Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Lexi Aditya Saputra. You can call me Lexi, and my last name is 23. And now I will tell you about approach research in the chapter 1. Okay, in that file or in that chapter, explain the different style or traditional of research. It has strengths, weakness, and is suited for different situations. Researchers can even make them depending on the problem. So, in the main approaches, the first is action research. I found that is 3 points. The first, done by participation, like a teacher, nurse, managers, to solve a real problem in their own setting. And second, involves a cycle of action, reflection, and change. And the goal, improve practice and make positive change. And second is case study, a deep dive in the single case or the person group school program and another. And the second is great for small projects where you want depth, not breadthly. And the third is criticism. The findings may not always apply elsewhere. And the third is survey. And before then, we learn about case study, and the next we learn about survey. I found in survey text is 4 points, and the first is collects information from a sample of people using questionnaires or interviews. And the next is can answer what, when, why, or how question. And the strength gives data from many people, and the weakness doesn't usually explain why. And next I got from the file is the fourth is experimental research. I found there is 3 points. And the first, test cause and effect by comparing a control group with an experimental group. The example, testing a new teaching method. And the third is strong for causality, but often hard, causally or ethically, trickly, and social science. And five, and the fifth, ethnography. I found in the file is 4 points. And the first, researchers immerses themselves in a group culture or daily life. And the next is use participant observation, interviews, and documents. And the strength for the ethnography is rich understanding of people lived experience, and the weakness, time consuming, might not research in all groups. And the sixth, grounded theory. This theory is have we learned in class in the 2 week last 2 weeks last 2 weeks maybe. So I got in the file is 3 points, and the first is instead of starting with a hypothesis, researchers collect data first, then build theory from it. So involves context, compression, and coding until no now insight appear, or we call it seed saturation. And the last, the strength. This theory is rooted in real world data. So like that. And the last, from the files I found is narrative inquiry. Narrative inquiry is like a story. I found in the files is 3 points. One, use personal stories or life histories as data. And the next is have so people experience in context. And the last is challenge. Time, trust, ethics, or story can be very personal. So just like that. So So in this file or in my explain, No single approach is the best, but the right choice depends on your research question and the kind of information you need. So every approaching, every approach, you nothing the best one, but you must you must choose where you need. Yeah, just maybe just that from me. And the last wish and the last I say, thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, see you next time.